This is the story of my life. And so on. Until one day.
Hey, what's up, Jim?
Oh, hey.
Everybody sitting here?
No.
How's things going?
Pretty normal, I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, if you're not busy on Wednesdays, we're starting something new. It should be pretty exciting. Yeah, that we're starting small groups. So you'll get to hang out with some other guys, do a lot of fellowship with them, study the Bible, and a lot of fun activities. So that'd be really cool.
I guess that sounds pretty cool.
Well, if you think you want to come, you can just send me a text or give me a phone call.
Alright, I'll do that.
Great. Hope to see you then.
Hey, glad you made it. Smoker's is downstairs. You wanna go?
Oh, okay.